If you're looking for a beautiful beach getaway with crystal clear waters, serene surroundings, and affordable prices, look no further than Muk Island. Located within the Chiang Mai National Park in Trang Province, getting to Muk Island is pretty convenient. You can catch a boat from Koh Muk Pier in Trang Province, Saladin Pier, or the Old Town Pier in Koh Lanta, and there are also options from Phuket. One of the highlights of this island is the Pearl Beach, which juts out into the sea. If you're an early riser, taking a stroll along the beach in the morning is a must-do. The atmosphere is just stunning, with crabs scuttling around and the golden sunlight shining down. On the other side of Muk Island, you'll find another beautiful beach known by various names such as Fang Beach, Charlie Beach, or Garnet Beach. It's a bit quieter here with no resorts directly on the beach, but there are small eateries and drink stalls lined up along the shore. This spot is also perfect for catching a breathtaking sunset. Getting around the island is mainly done by renting a motorbike. You can hire a three-wheeled vehicle from the locals or rent a motorbike for around 200–250 baht per day. I'd recommend renting a motorbike so you can explore and indulge in some fresh seafood from the local fishing village for your meals. The food there is just fantastic. You can also hire a long-tail boat to take you to Rock Island for some incredible snorkeling and freediving. In conclusion, Muk Island is a hidden gem with its pristine beaches, delicious seafood, and amazing underwater activities. It's definitely worth a visit if you're looking for a laid-back island experience without breaking the bank.